channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about Infosys Springboard Pragati Path to Future Cohort 7. So this cohorts of Pragati Path to Futures are 1 year ago, 19th March 2024, launched the program of Pragati Path to Future. From there they are getting more famous because it is program is conducted by Infosys Springboard. As we know, Infosys is the most famous MNC company. So more participants want to work there, want to work internship with them. So in this video, we are going to talk about Pragati Path to Future, like what is this and how to apply, and I will give you the link in description box as well, so please check it out. So if you are a ladies or women, don't matter you are from undergraduate, postgraduate, or any in your career break or anything, like if you are 18 plus and you are woman, you are good to go. Yes, you heard it right. So if you are a woman and you are 18 plus, you are eligible for this. So in this video we are going to talk about all the things in detail, so see the video till the end, so don't miss uh, any notification about that. Subscribe the channel as well. So for this, registrations are open. So the registrations are open from 31st September to 12 October. So you have to fill your form between that. So this is the 3-month career acceleration program designed exclusively for women. So why should you join? You have a question like, why should you join this program? So this is the one program where you can grow personally as well, advance professionally, then you can shape your career and you can lead with impact as well. Then what you will learn? So what you will learn is, in this video we are going to see as well. So time management, goal setting, growth mindsets, which are the soft skills, then workplace etiquettes, digital fluency, critical things, what is they are advanced professionalism, they will teach you. Then how to build your resume, then interview preparation, then career exploration, then collaboration, decision making, strategic thinking as well. And this community is very vast, like this is a good program for who want to join and newly entering in corporate world, how this works. They will give you many advices, like this is the full program for your skills and you can build up your career in this. So now this and in this sessions they are going to teach you from the industry leaders and certified trainers. Then every like they have quizzes, stories, memes, and music based games as well. Then you can connect with the women learners across India. At the last you will earn certificate for that as well. Then batches, and then who can apply. So as I said, women age 18 plus who are student, early professionals, career readiness, lifelong learners. So any woman 18 plus can register for that. So first they have notes for that we will read. So this cohort is for new learners only. Suppose you have completed the cohort 6th, 5th, or any 1 to 5th cohort, please don't register for that. So this is the, they are not applicable to apply. But if you are graduated, like completed all the Pragati process and get the certificate of Pragati, then don't register. If you have only participate in and after that you didn't have the completed the certificate of Pragati, then you can apply for that. Then mail registrants will be cancelled, mails are not allowed for that. Then if you are a college student currently enrolled in any college, then you have to submit your NOC. Then what is NOC? I have like explained in the video. I will give this video link as well in description box, go through that. Then you have to submit your NOC to springboard support at infosys.com. Then NOC is one type of, like, you have to submit your college non-objectionable certificate that they don't have any objection you are joining this program. And then, as I said, key dates are: registration deadline is 12th October 2025. And what is the selection criteria? Main thing. So selection criteria is you have to complete 2 courses plus 1 certification. And certification doesn't mean the course. Please note that certification is different. Certification is like they have one camera protected, that's called certification. And then for this they will required courses, like which course you have to do, they will send you via the email. Suppose you have registered for the Pragati part 2 future, after that they will send you the mail which courses you have to complete. So now you can register yourself on Pragati Part 2 Future and then grow in your career as well. So, so this is the where we have to register ourselves. Firstly, click to register, then accept and start. After that, you have to fill up your full name. You can full name, like what is your surname and your name, you have to fill up that. Then you have to fill up your register Infosys Spring email ID. Then your gender, that is you have to fill up female because this program is for only females. And then, are you 18 years or above? Then, would you like to nominate yourself for Infosys Pragati Part 2 Future? You have to select yes. Then you have to give your brief introduction in 300 words, you have to give it there. Then you have to select your education and qualification, your undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate or PhD. Then what is your current employment status? You're student, looking for a job, or employed, seeking a job change, seeking re-entry into workforce, or retired or unemployed, anything. Then if you're a student, kindly provide your full name of your college or university. You have to provide your college or university name, preferably provide your college names. Then your city of living. Then your current territory you are currently residing in. Then after that, your student, then you have to tell your university is government or private. Then if you're a college student, you have to submit your NOC, as I said that. So you have submitted your NOC or not, you have to share that. I am student and I will submit the NOC by July 18, 2025. So you have to submit your NOC. Maybe they have mistaken here. They will rechange maybe after that. But you have to select you have send it your NOC. Then how did you come to know about this Pragati Part 2 Part 2 Future program? Then you have to click on submit. That's it. Yeah, your registration is confirmed. After that, you will get the mail of the courses. You have to complete that courses only. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like the video.